Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So here we have another question from the same passage, and the direction for question is answer the following questions based on the information given below. We understood the text which is indicating about biodiversity and how communities' involvement is essential in conserving the biodiversity. So let's move to the question. So the question asked here, which of the following statement cannot be inferred? So again, it's an infer-based question from the passage. So if you look at the option, the first option stated current marine protected areas. Current marine protected areas, MPH, in the US may not sufficiently protect biodiversity. Second, data collection bias could lead to overestimation of species protected in MPH. And three, which is stated enhanced and diversified protection strategies are needed for effective conservation. And four, continuous and systematic monitoring is expandable for effective marine conservation. Now, if you look at each of the options, so out of that, you would find out option 4 is the appropriate inference to the text. So, or to the statement, right, which cannot be inferred from the passage, right? Because it is stated continuous and systematic monitoring is expandable for effective marine conservation. Um, as we understood that this cannot be inferred from the passage. On the contrary, the passage emphasizes the importance of regular importance of regular regular long-term monitoring of key species and habitats to make sure that MPAs are effective in a rapidly changing world. The author stresses that protection is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring to understand how species and habitats are changing over time and to evaluate the impact of management interventions. Therefore, if you talk about that option 4, right, which is the correct answer that cannot be inferred from the passage, because it is the only statement that directly you can say that contradicts that directly contradicts. Okay, so contradicts the statement or assertions made in the passage. So option 4 will be the correct one. But let's look at the other options. So if you observe the option 1, which is stated current marine protected areas MPH in the US may not be sufficiently protect biodiversity. So as the passage explicitly discusses how many MPH may be falling short of their mission due to a lack of comprehensive biodiversity data and the fact that a significant portion of species and habitats are not adequately covered, right? Hence, option 1 can be called as inferred from the text. So in that case, this cannot be called as a answer to the question or answer to the statement. So this option is eliminated. Option 2 stated data collection bias could lead to overestimation of the species protected in MPH. So MPH. Option 2 again called as incorrect because the passage mentions that because MPHs are popular study sites, it is a popular study sites. There is more data available for species inside them than outside, which could result in an overestimation of the number of species protected within these areas. Right. In that case, option 2 is also inferred from the passage. Option 3, which is stated about increased and diversified protection strategies are needed for effective conservation. So this option also inferred from the statement as the statement is supported by the passage, which offers several suggestions for improving marine protection, including stepping stone MPH, stepping stone MPH, MPH, protecting critical areas for marine mammals and birds, and embracing community-led conservation efforts. And these recommendations indicate a need for increased and diversified strategies. Hence, option 3 also inferred. Only option 4, which cannot be inferred from the statement, is called as a continuous and systematic monitoring, is expandable for effective marine conservation. So, in that case, we can consider option 4 will be the correct answer to the question given here. So hence 4 will be the correct answer. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.